Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you a couple of autumn flowering plants. This is meadow saffron, or Colchicum autumnale, that's the scientific name, and it's an autumn flowering plant. It usually inhabits moist meadows, and you can see these are from seed. There are differences between the flower color and the shape. So these are light pink, this is almost white, this is a darker pink, and you can see that there are a lot of them in this tub, and there's also a phlox, but it didn't grow well this year for me. So these colchicums are very poisonous plants. They contain an alkaloid called colchicine, which is also used as a medicine for Mediterranean fever and gout, but you shouldn't eat this plant at all because it's very toxic for almost everything except snails and slugs. And it has a beautiful flower. In the spring it has big green leaves, and it goes dormant in the summer and resprouts in the autumn. You can see these are the seed pods, and they have these very small seeds, and they germinate in the spring after a moist, wet and cold winter and autumn. My other favorite autumn flowering plant is Lycoris, and it's a relative of Hippeastrum amaryllis, and this is Lycoris radiata. I think it's native in Japan. And you can see that it just grows out from the soil in autumn and has these beautiful red flowers. There's another one, it's called Lycoris aurea. It has yellow, golden yellow flowers, and they just flower, and then they have their leaves, and the leaves are winter green, and they will go dormant in the summer at the end of June. So there's still some flowers in October and late September, October. You can give color to your garden and interest. And I also have this pulmonaria, which is grown from seed, and it has these nice green leaves with white spots. It's natural spotting, so you can make your garden interesting all year if you want. I'm very happy of this plant and I'm very proud of it. I don't know if it's fully hard in Hungary, but in the last few years we hardly had lower than -10 degrees Celsius, so I will plant 10 bulbs outside to see if they overwinter well in a sunny spot. So thank you very much for your attention. See you next time. Goodbye.